Welcome to Sullivan Street Bakery, Miami. I'm Steven DeFalco, Chief Operating Officer. As a full-service bakery, we go through a lot of flour every production shift, wheat bran, and truly our facility is covered in flour. It's everywhere. We then have to turn over to our day shift, in which we have clients, chefs, restaurateurs, operators coming by to either pick up orders or to tour the facility. In many ways, the facility becomes a showroom. We're proud of the transparency to show our facility, to show our equipment, and a crucial part of that is the cleanliness of our production floor. For us to turn over from a production shift during the night into the early morning, we have to do it pretty quickly. Before upgrading to a global industrial floor scrubber, at the end of every production shift, we would begin by sweeping the entire production floor, which I think we all know that sweeping does a job but doesn't do a complete job. Sweeping, then mopping, and then scrubbing. It takes a lot of time, a lot of labor, and a lot of energy from our team. That's not easy work. For us to have our floor looking spotless again is so nice that we can show our clients our facility, how nice everything looks, and that the place is really polished. So with the floor scrubber, we eliminate the mopping and the scrubbing. So we can do a quick sweep and then take the floor scrubber through the facility, and we are cutting down on serious labor and time. And truthfully, the floor looks much better even without mopping and scrubbing. Global Industrial's promise is we can supply that. And for Sullivan Street Bakery, they do.